Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a passcode to secure your band app. Whether you're using a phone, adding this layer of security ensures that only you can access your band account. Follow along as we demonstrate the steps. First, open the band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select the Passcode option. Now toggle the switch to turn on the Band App Lock feature. Following this, enter your desired passcode. Then, confirm your passcode by entering it again. Finally, once set, the Band app will require this passcode each time you open it, ensuring your account remains secure. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled the passcode lock on your Band app, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Now, only you can access your Band app, keeping your information safe.